Welcome to our channel Safu's Creation. Hi everyone! If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and support us to post more tutorial videos. Materials required: polymer clay, acrylic paint, tissue blade, bolt tool, ice cream sticks. First, we are going to cut the clay we need. Here's a small tip: the smaller the cube, the cuter the miniature. Now let's soften our clay. Now we need to make a boat out of this clay. Now let's press our clay till the upper part and the lower part is slightly flat. Now let's press both the sides slightly using our hands. Don't press the clay too hard, the shape might change. Cut the lower part of the popsicle using a cutter. Don't cut it too much. Now we have got the perfect popsicle. To make the popsicle sticks, you are going to need the real popsicle sticks. You have to soak your popsicle sticks in the water for about 10 minutes. Now we are going to cut a small piece from the popsicle stick. Cut the sides from the stick that we cut right now. Both the sides. Shape the popsicle stick with a knife or any sharp object. Cut the popsicle stick according to the size of your miniature. Now let's add the ice cream stick to our popsicle. First, mark the position of your ice cream sticks. Now remove the excess clay using a craft knife. Let's insert our ice cream stick to our popsicle. We should secure our ice cream stick. To secure it, we are going to even the sides using a bolt tool. Now we are going to do the fun part. Let's give the bite effect. Cut out a small part from the upper corner of the popsicle. Don't press the popsicle too much, the shape might change. Add your screw eye pins. Now let's remove our fingerprint by just smoothing them out. Transfer the popsicle into the baking tray. Now cover your baking tray with a piece of aluminum foil. Now it goes straight to the oven. Read the note for instructions. Be careful, the tray is hot. Ask an adult to help you with this. Keep it for cooling off. Take your popsicle out of the tray. Check if your ice cream sticks are tightly fit in there. And if they are not, stick them with the super glue. Let's draw a kawaii face to our popsicles. Now we are going to make small dots out of black acrylic paint, which is going to be our eyes. Draw a small curve which is going to be your cute kawaii smile. If you want to watch how to make this cute donut, I'll give the link in description below. Now we are gonna give white dots up of the black dots, which should be very small. Carefully add your cream using a ball tool to the bottom part. Let's add the keychain ring to our popsicle. This is the last step. Varnish your Kawai miniature popsicle and wait for it to dry. Thank you.